Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of your printer running out of ink at the worst possible moment? Sick of fumbling with messy cartridges and watching your money disappear with every print? Well, get ready, because the HP Smart Tank 7602 Wireless All-in-One is here to revolutionize your home office experience. This isn't just another printer. It's a smart, economical powerhouse designed to make your life easier. Let's kick things off with what truly makes this printer a game changer: the incredible savings and peace of mind it offers. The HP Smart Tank 7602 comes fully loaded with 2 years of original HP ink included right out of the box. Think about that for a second. 2 whole years of printing without worrying about buying another ink cartridge. We're talking up to 8,000 vibrant color pages or a staggering 6,000 crisp black pages. For anyone with a home office, this translates to low-cost, high-volume printing that frees you from the constant anxiety of running out of ink. It's not just a saving. It's an investment in uninterrupted productivity and a huge weight off your shoulders. This printer truly embodies the set-it-and-forget-it mentality when it comes to ink supply, letting you focus on what truly matters. Now, when that glorious 2 years is up, or if you're just a printing machine, refilling the HP Smart Tank 7602 is an absolute breeze and completely mess-free. Forget the days of sticky fingers and spilled ink. HP has engineered an easy-access, cartridge-free refill system. You simply plug the specially designed ink bottles into their corresponding tanks and let gravity do the work. No squeezing, no spilling, no fuss. It's so intuitive, anyone can do it. This mess-free refill system isn't just about convenience. It's about making printer maintenance a non-event, ensuring your workspace stays clean and your mind stays focused. It's a brilliant design choice that eliminates one of the biggest frustrations of traditional printers. But the brilliance doesn't stop there. This is easily one of the most user-friendly tank printers on the market. From its quick setup to its seamless operation, the HP Smart Tank 7602 is designed for maximum convenience. Pairing it with your devices is effortless thanks to reliable Wi-Fi connectivity, and the HP Smart app truly brings it all together. You can print, scan, and monitor ink levels right from your smartphone, making remote printing a cinch. And speaking of comprehensive features, this isn't just a printer. It's an all-in-one command center for your home office. You get print, copy, scan, and even fax capabilities. Plus, it boasts two-sided printing to save paper, a 35-page auto document feeder for tackling large scanning or copying jobs, and the ability to produce beautiful, borderless prints for photos and flyers. It's truly a versatile workhorse, even featuring some AI-enabled smarts to optimize your printing experience. The HP Smart Tank 7602 delivers consistently impressive prints, from crisp, sharp text for your documents to frame-worthy photos with vivid, true-to-life colors. It's the perfect blend of economy, convenience, and quality, making it the ideal choice for any busy home office. Imagine tackling your workload with confidence, knowing your printer won't let you down and won't break the bank. So, if you're ready to ditch the cartridge chaos, save a ton of money on ink, and streamline your home office setup with a truly smart and reliable all-in-one, the HP Smart Tank 7602 is an absolute must-have. Don't just upgrade your printer. Upgrade your entire printing experience. You deserve a device that works as hard and as smart as you do. Find the link to grab your very own HP Smart Tank 7602 in the description below and start enjoying true printing freedom today.